Yeah. So. Yeah. We prepared for like this one.
Very pleased. Yeah, you're very good ambassador.
Yes. We're doing photos first, are we?
Yes.
Okay.
Once
So
again.
you're very welcome. It's fantastic to be able to welcome you here. We saw each other earlier this week.
Yes.
But to have you here at Downing Street is a real privilege.
Thank you very much.
And lots that we've already done together as countries, and
Yes.
lots more I think that strategically we can talk about whilst we're here. So you're very, very welcome.
Thank you, sir. Great honor for me. Finally to see the inside of Downing Street.
The inside. It's bigger on the inside than the outside.
Yes.
Once you walk through that door.
First log of the treasury.
Yes.
It was the house of the first log.
Yes. Always. And so my title is Prime Minister and First Lord of the Treasury. So on all of my sort of folders and files, that is involved. Yeah.
Poverty alleviation.
Yeah, very much.
Yes, and kind to,
Yeah.
to offer.
Oh, well, that's good. Yeah, I hope to be seeing him next week.
Oh, yes.
I will leave you here.
Thank you.
And say thank you very much, and let's keep talking. It's very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, fantastic. And you'll take some pictures, yeah?
Sedikit boleh Pak, sudah